कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट। प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या।
बिरेस्तारा पणजी महानगरपालिकेची अर्थसंकल्पीय बसका जाली। महानगरपालिकेन खर्चा खातीर सुमार 120 कोटीची तरतूद केल्या अशी माहिती महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरातान दिली। पणजी शारांत उदरगती खातीर 15 ते 20 कोटी रुपया मोडटले। तशेंच सांतिनेज मसणभूंय आनी करंजळे नुस्त्या मार्केटाचे नूतनीकरण आनी हेर कामां खातीर हे पयशे मोडटले अशेंय ताचें म्हणणें।
Revenue is around 120 crores, expenditure will corresponding to 118 crores. So this year we are planning on spending at least our development outlay should be between maybe 15 to 20 crores that we're spending throughout the city. We have plans on refurbishing all of our existing infrastructure, all our existing gardens. We want to do the Karanjale Garden Children's Park, that also is going to be done. We want to spend significant amounts on the Santinez Cemetery, the Karanjale Fish Market, we want to redo that. So we're going to spend a lot of money this year in terms of development. So in terms of all the savings and in terms of all the revenue increases also Commissioner has mentioned earlier. So CCP is in a very good financial position. We have not touched any of our FDs. We've got significant, our recovery has been the highest out of any we finalized our market agreements, so not market agreements, the market procedures and formalities, the property is finally now position. So we intend on pursuing the lease agreement or even license depending on what the council. So based on that, yeah, that is the general. Sir, budget has gone up by say around 30 crores. I think you is saying as per. We'll know now based on what the actual revenue is. But as far as our thing, all our payments and everything, I think we are not delayed on any of our payments or any of those issues. And yeah, we're in a healthy financial position.
दुसरे वटेन सुरेंद्र फुर्तादो हांणी महानगरपालिकेच्या अर्थसंकल्पाचेर टिका केल्या। हो अर्थसंकल्प फाटल्या वर्साच्या अर्थसंकल्पाची कॉपी आसून तातूंत नवें कांयच नाशिल्ल्याचें ताचें म्हणणें। घरपट्टयेचे 80 कोटी रुपया अजूनय वसूल जावंक नाशिल्ल्याचें तांणी ह्या वेळार सांगलें।
The figures, how they have jumped, and they had no answer to tell me. I can only bring it before the corporation meeting that your figures are not realistic.
The budget was same as was last time was edited.
They said increased by 30 crores.
Last year it was some 98 crores. They collected 68 crores. Again, this time it is some 98 crores. It's very easy to say, but does collection come? House tax, around 80 crores outstanding house tax. But they show that this money will come. You have to ask the ATO and EU and the commissioner why it is not coming. When I was the mayor, I called my ATO and I said, which are the central governments and banks who have not paid a house tax? I want a list. He gave me the list.
फाटल्या वर्सा अष्टमीच्या फेरींतल्यान पालिकेक 1 कोटी 10 लाखांचो महसूल मेळिल्ल्याचें आयुक्त क्लेन मदेरा हांणी सांगलें।
Last year during that Ashtami fair, our collection was 1 crore 10 lakhs. That was the highest, not only in CCP's history, it was the highest in Goa also. So not much publicity was done about this because we don't believe in getting laurels and glorification because this is our duty. This is our duty because this is not we are not doing something for publicity over here. So earlier the collection used to be 14 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs. It has gone to 1 crore 10 lakhs.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक टीव्ही।